Full video link at the bottom.
Any point. This formula will give you the velocity of the object at any point in its path. This is general formula. But at the maximum height, t is equal to time of ascent we will substitute, and at the maximum height, vertical component of velocity becomes 0. You know already. When the object is going in the upward direction, the velocity of the object gradually decreases, and at the maximum height, the velocity becomes 0. So that is why we take final velocity as 0 at this point. So under uy, vertical component of velocity is u sin theta, right? So minus gta as this. So minus gta, if you bring it to the left side, will become 0 plus gta. So 0 plus gta is gta, right? And gta is equal to u sin theta. So ta becomes what? Time of ascent becomes u sin theta by g, right? Remember, right? So this formula you must keep in mind, u sin theta by g.